So I'm having this twisted sheet metal part. So this is the development length for this twisted part. So this is the overall length, that is 5.6 by 1.5 inch, which is nothing but this dimension. So it will give after flat pattern. So let's create this part newly. Select a new part, then sheet metal, give your appropriate name, then OK. So first we create this feature, that is 1.5 by 1.5. I'm going with planar. So select a planar, define, select a plane, then sketch, and then normal. Select a rectangle, then dimension, that is 1.5 inch by 1.5. Say OK. And thickness is 0.2. Say OK. So next feature is twisted flange. So for twisted flange, go to walls, then select a twist, select a placement edge. So this length is 2. You can see here 2. And angle is 90 degrees from this direction. Okay. You can see here another options, that is symmetrical and modify width. If you select the symmetrical, then you can change this dimension. And if you select modify width, then you can change this width. So in our case, no need to select both two options. So offset is fine with me. And for bend allowance for this feature, 2.6. Okay. Another feature is flat. So select a flat, select a placement edge. So this dimension is also 1.5. Say OK. So next is round. For this through round, select engineering, then round. Round is 0.75. So select all edges by holding Control. Say OK. So next is hole. For hole, go to engineering, select a hole, then select a placement surface. Then attach this here, and this one is here. The hole diameter is 0.5, that is correct. So this dimension is 0.75, and this dimension is 1.5 minus 0.65, that is 0.85. So again select a hole, select a placement surface, and attach this one is here, and this one is here. Hole diameter is 0.5, that is correct. Give your dimension, that is 0.75, and this one is 0.85. Say OK. Part is done. So you can check a flat pattern for this part, overall dimension for the twisted part. So you can see here 5.6 by 1.5, which is nothing but this dimension. So yeah, part is done. Thank you.